Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities available for mechanical engineers. Totally, we are going to see two different jobs and both the job location will be in Chennai. So let us see. The name of the company is Valio. So I will be providing the link in description. When you click on the link, it will be directing you to the official page. So when you scroll down, you can see all the other details of the company. At the top there will be many options, so you can see like career, you can see career. When you press the icon career, you will be getting various other options. You have to press find a job or internship. So when you press it, it will be directing you to find a job. So when you scroll down, there will be many options. You have to choose find a job and click the external link. So when you click the find a job, you will be directing to this page. There you can see keyword and location. In the location, you have to type India. So type India. So we're going to search job in India, right? So type India and go for search. When you go, there will be many job posting which they posted will be coming. So today we're going to see job that is engineer system, and date which is posted is 16/9. So job location is Chennai. So there will be totally two jobs. First we will see engineer system, then we'll see intern CAD. So when you press engineer system, so automatically it will be directing further for applying for the job. So mainly you just have a glance of everything. Normally what we're going to do is you have to build and expertise the tools and support the system, and you have to ensure the engineering activity for electronics and identify the customer and the stakeholder needs and all. So just have a glance of it. And other key responsibilities are like testing, integrating, validating, and developing the model design and have a specification for the validation, and also provide the support to the design team. You have to analyze and understand the functional requirement, etc. So just have a glance of it. Education and training is you should complete the mechanical engineering in mechanical or electrical engineering with a knowledge of signal processing and automatics. So job location is Chennai. So it's under research and development. The name of the company is C25E Group Expertise, and it's a full-time job. Shift will be a daytime job, and it's a regular. So when you press the back button, you will be coming back to the various job posted. So you have to choose intern CAD. So when you choose intern CAD, it will be directing you to this page. It's mainly a computer-aided design. So those who are well versed in 2D and 3D CAD diagram are most eligible for this job. You have to build 3D models and 2D drawings, and also be specifying their definitions in 2D and 3D for the components which you make. So these are the things which you have to do, and mainly you will be deployed to the CAD operators and have to follow many CAD operations. So what are the other key skills? Like you should be have well versed in product design and product engineering and CAD AI, etc. So these are things which they will be expecting from you. And other than that, you should have a creativity, good interpretation skills, and sketching capability, and have a wide knowledge in cosmetics, etc. So mainly those who want to go for computer-aided design have to pursue or already should pursue diploma in mechanical engineering or equivalent experience. Work experience, they are not asking anything, so it's freshers can apply, and good command or good communication skills. So if you are going for computer-aided styling, then you have to pursue bachelor degree in art designing or automobile or mechanical. Work experience is nil, and if you have a knowledge of CAD software, it will be a added advantage. Job location is Chennai, and it's research and development. The name of the company is 4CR Lighting System India. It's a full-time job, and shifting will be like a shift basis, either day or night, and it's a fixed. You will be working in a fixed team. The job type is not regular; it's like internship. So if you are willing to apply, means just click on the icon apply online, so that you will be applying for this job. So once you click apply online, it will be directing to this page. Here you have to log in. If you already have the user ID and password, means you can go for it. If not, just click the icon new user. So when you click the icon new user, you have to fill for a new registration, right? So it will be taking some time. You will be filling the various details and basic details of you, and after that you will be registering for this job. So once you register, means everything will be intimated through mail. and I hope so this video will be very useful. And in this video we saw opportunities for mechanical engineers in 2 different jobs. So whichever is convenient, you can apply for it, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. We will be uploading various job opportunities prevailing in and around in India as well as abroad. So don't miss any of the opportunities. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.